Hey, Denali down south here. Literally just got in the new AdventureCraft from White River. Made by them, designed by Exodus Knife and Tools. Literally just got this in. Haven't even cracked this open. Figured let's hurry up, knock out a few quick tests, take a look at it, and do a quick comparison to the old one. Now, I'm not going to make dinner with this one like I did the other one, but figure we'll just take a look, maybe do some quick work with it though. That's a nice box. And this is S35VN with the orange handles. Oh wow, this is actually the texture on it. Sorry, it just really surprised me. I didn't expect this to actually have this much texture on it. I figured it'd be a lot smoother. That's good. I like that. It's a nice clip. Okay, I know on Jacob's video he said he's kind of worried about these maybe breaking if you get too rough. I feel you'd have to be really rough to break those, so I think this should be right okay on a belt or something. I think it's one of those directional buttons. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, let's take a look at the blade. So you still got the orange handle there. White River logo. Exodus Knife and Tool logo. Serial number 2. This is overall length of the blade. Sorry, overall length is 7.2 inches. Blade is 315 S30VN. See how that specs there on the COA. And then here it is next to, wow, my old one that needs to get polished up. It's got a little bit of rust on it. It is, I believe, 1084, so thought I had it cleaned good. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look here at the weight. The new one is, what do I have this on? Oh, let's put it on grams. Oops, you can't see there. Well, you still can't see. There. The new one, 59.3 grams. The old one, that's kind of rusty, 48 grams even. With the Ulti clip, the old one is 88.8. New one, 92.3. Also, the handle scales are removable on the new one, while they are not on the old one. Okay, and here's a look at it skeletonized. 47 grams even, and then you can see the tang. Yeah, I'm actually quite embarrassed that I let this one get rusty. This old one get rusty, so after the video, I'm going to clean this up. I'm very embarrassed. I thought I had it cleaned up and done well. I guess not. It went so long without rusting up or anything on it, and then suddenly it just decided to... Oops, got a little loud on that one. Oh well, decided to get a little rusty. So I'll clean that up real quick. Looks like just some real surface rust on the edge. This is a dry stick. There we go. Come on. also haven't touched this up at all. So it does make curls. See, it's making curls. This is the old one. Not gonna start any fires on my table. There you go. Sparks. New one. There we go. See, make sparks. Doesn't seem to make sparks quite as well. Yeah, the edge is a lot sharper on the old one. Oh, wow. This new one, though. Look at that. Bam. Look at that. So the edge on this old one, I think, needs to be stropped up. And of course cleaned, but I haven't cleaned it yet, so. Ooh. Peel the potato, see? I got it. Still peeling the potato fine. Okay, grab the new one. Golly, this thing just wants to bite. You be careful at the edge on this new one. It's razor sharp and wants to bite. Look at that. Old one. All right. Okay, so there we are. Super quick and dirty of the old one and new one for the AdventureCrafts. Also, let's just see the new one, the retention of the Kydex. That's not going anywhere. The retention of the old one. Yeah, not going anywhere either. So, I mean, of course, I have to go out and do some real usage on this new one. But just a quick look at it, it's pretty cool. So what I like about each of them, the new one, I love the feeling of this handle. But I like the spine of the old one better. But this new one's cool, but yeah, I like the spine of the old one better. This new one definitely likes to super bite in when doing those quick carvings, you know, there. This one is more of a slicer. This one is more of a carver, just from what it feels like. So that's awesome. I really do like it though. Fit and finish looks good. So I dig them both. What I really want to see for an option of these though is some of these natural darker colors down here, but still keep the bolster orange. So when it goes in to the Kydex, the orange is hidden, but the rest of this is that natural color. So that way it's not as visible when it's on your belt, but when you pull it out, you still have this part that is visible in case you do drop your knife. Yeah, the tang itself, if you choose to not use the scales, the edges are not sharp on it, so you could probably use it okay for a little while. If you want to do that, I don't think long-term use would be great without the scales, but it's usable without the scales. All right, so what do I think about the new one? I think it's got some great upgrades, and I think X's Knife and Tool with White River will be a excellent partnership going forward. So remember, get outside, enjoy life, buy knives. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.